Okay, dear students, let's start with EC number classification. So as we have studied earlier, EC stands for Enzyme Commission Number System, and according to EC number, all the enzymes are provided with the 4-digit number. That number is called Enzyme Commission Number or EC number. If EC number of a particular enzyme is A.B.C.D, then A indicates type of reaction, digit B indicates subclass, digit C indicates subclass, and digit D indicates substrate of that particular enzyme. There are 6 major classes of enzyme on the basis of this EC number system. First is oxidoreductase, second transferase, third hydrolases, fourth lyases, 5 isomerase, and 6 ligases. Now oxidoreductase. As the name indicates, oxidoreductase is going to carry out redox reaction. So first let us understand what is redox reaction. Redox reaction is very simple. When oxidation and reduction, both the reactions are occurring simultaneously, that is referred as redox reaction. So redox reaction is equal to oxidation plus reduction. Now let us understand what is oxidation. So oxidation can be defined in 3 different ways. It could be removal of proton, removal of electron, or addition of oxygen. Now in the same way, reduction is gain of proton, gain of electron, or removal of oxygen. If both the process, that is oxidation or reduction, occurring at the same time, that reaction will be referred as redox reaction. Now coming back to oxidoreductase enzyme. So I have told earlier, enzyme which is going to carry out redox reaction, they belong to first main class of the enzyme, which are called oxidoreductase. And for oxidoreductase, first digit of this enzyme is always going to be 1. Now coming to the second digit. Second digit is going to indicate hydrogen or electron donor. If second digit is 1, then hydrogen or electron donor is alcohol. If it's 2, second digit is aldehyde or ketone. 3 means hydrogen donor is CH. If 4, primary amine, 5, secondary amine, and like that. If we talk about third digit indicates hydrogen or electron acceptor. If electron acceptor is NAD plus or NADP plus, then third digit will be 1. Third digit will be 2 if acceptor is Fe3 plus. Third digit will be 3 if acceptor is molecular oxygen, and it will be 99 if if electron acceptor is something else. Now coming to transferase enzyme. Transferase are the second major class of the enzyme. As the name indicates, transferase enzyme is going to transfer a particular group from one molecule to the another molecule. Example for transferase we have already discussed. Transferase, very well known example is hexokinase. What hexokinase is doing? Hexokinase is transferring one molecule of phosphorus from this ATP to glucose and converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. Now transferase EC number, first digit will be 2 and second digit will indicate what is the group transferred. So according to group transferred, your second digit will be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 7. If group transfer is single carbon group, aldehyde, ketonic group, acyl group, glycosyl groups, or phosphate group. Now coming to third enzyme, that is hydrolases. Hydrolases are the enzyme which are going to break down the bond. For example, in this case I have considered the enzyme that is maltase. Maltase is going to break down a disaccharide maltose into individual glucose unit. Now how it works? It is going to break down one molecule of water and then it is going to break down the glycosidic linkage. Now in this, first digit will be always 3 and second digit will indicate what is the type of bond broken. If type of bond broken is ester, second